Hi, it's Amy with WTI. Have you ever had something that you can't imagine living without? That's how I feel about these Argus PT Reolink security cameras. We placed one of the two cameras on our back deck and one on our garage, giving us an awesome view of our driveway and side door. One of my favorite things are the solar panels. We don't have to worry about batteries needing to be recharged or replaced. The sun does it for us. I really like the wide range view of the camera, and you don't lose it when night falls because it's got night vision. So awesome. The directions to get set up are pretty straightforward. You're going to charge up the camera and then you follow the prompts. The Reolink app will walk you through each additional step. You need to have Wi-Fi reaching the areas you've placed the cameras, so you may need a Wi-Fi extender like we did. These don't have a monthly fee to operate, and there's even a slot for a micro SD card. Among other things, this will allow you to do some time-lapse videos. The Reolink app is pretty easy to navigate. It allows you to do many different things, including setting up customized alerts. Here, I'm painting the area that I don't want the cameras to react to. I have neighbors and I live on a main street and there's a lot of passing cars. Now, I'm only getting an alert for people or cars that are in my driveway. It's got some other great features, like being able to speak to the person you see in the camera, even if you're miles away. If you're looking for security cameras that are solar powered, that have night vision, and you can customize the sensitivity of detection, you're gonna wanna check these out. And that's my point of view.